Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying whether your Arctis one is USB, USB-C, or 3.5mm. Plug the correct connector into the PC directly. Avoid hubs for drivers. Once done, make sure Windows detects a new device in the sound tray. If using 3.5mm, plug into the green headset jack or the combined audio jack and use the included splitter if needed. This first step gets audio routing available, so the system can see and configure the headset automatically. Once Windows recognizes the headset, open Sound Settings and select Sound Control Panel for precise control. In playback, choose Arctis 1, click Set Default for both audio and communications so apps route correctly. Then go to Properties Advanced and set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz for optimal voice and game audio. Lower rates may degrade quality. Make sure levels are up and microphone is not muted. These steps ensure both output and mic work consistently across apps. You finish by testing in an app. Record a short clip or join a voice call to confirm mic and audio. Install Steelseries Engine if you want firmware updates, sidetone, or EC. It explains why levels differ. If audio fails, try another USB port, the front versus rear panel, or reboot the PC to reinitialize devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if the mic stays muted or unreadable, update or reinstall the audio and USB drivers. This often resolves registration and permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.